I hit 28 going down that hill. Very windy conditions. Alright, we're going to turn around here. The voltage sag was tremendous. The voltage sag was tremendous. It had got down to 20 some odd %. But 28 miles an hour. Pedal assist 5. Now we're going to go back down to pedal assist 2. Save energy going up the hill. And now we're going to do a hill climb test. So 28 going down that hill against a very strong wind. So we're going to go up it, and we're going to see what the speed is going up it, what the average speed going up is. All right, let's get it. Use the throttle to take off. This is a very steep hill. I don't know if you can see it on the camera too well, but I tried this on my other bike too. Make sure there's no traffic behind me. I didn't think this video would be this long, but still going 12 miles an hour going uphill. Pedal assist 2. Now when I get to the steepest part of the hill, I'm going to put it in pedal assist 3. And this is why you buy these kits, for the hills. Now if I was riding a regular bike, I'd be dying right now. Alright, let's put it in pedal assist 3. Still out of gear a little bit. Oh, the voltage sag is tremendous again. We'll put it back and down in pedal assist 2, see where we're at. So going up this steep hill in pedal assist 2, and I can still feel the pedals, I'm going 10 miles an hour. Still a lot of voltage drag, even when doing this. Alright, we're over the steepest part of the hill. And now we're going to put it in pedal assist 3. Oh, you can feel a little jolt there. I think the wind is going sideways on me. But still, 15 miles an hour going up this hill in pedal assist 3. It's pretty doggone good. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it's windy out here. And that's why I got my mask on today. I'd be sneezing my ass off right about now if I didn't have it. Because I checked the weather report and they said the pollen level was high, so I believe it too. Alright, we're going to stop here. That's about the steepest part of any hill I'm going to hit on any of my routes this year, and I'm very happy with the climb, the helpage, everything. So we're gonna stop the video here. I'm gonna go back home, get something to eat, and I hope you guys have a blessed day.